Hey Coyotes, today we'll be making red velvet cake pops for Valentine's Day. Before we start, we have to make sure we wash our hands because it is flu season and I do not want to get sick again. So let's do it. Now, here's what you will need. You'll need 1 box of red velvet cake mix, 12 ounces of cream cheese frosting, 48 ounces of this candy melts right here, and then you'll need a lot of cake pop sticks. And for the final part, you'll need decorations for your cake pops. So the first thing on the list is to follow the recipe on your cake mix. So let's get to that. All right guys, after your cake has cooled down, you're gonna cut it into little fourths or pieces. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna take them out and put it in the bowl right here. Awesome guys, so after I crumbled up the pieces, is now for the fun part with the cream cheese frosting. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna pour in the whole can of cream cheese into the cake mix right here. What you're gonna do, you can use your hands, use your spatula, whatever, but you gotta mix the icing with the cake. So, I finally got my pan back, so make sure it can fit in your fridge. You're gonna make little balls, just like this. There it is, and put them on the pan. Alright guys, so once you get your cake balls in, just like this, you're gonna put them in the freezer for 15 minutes. Alright, so we just got them out of the freezer. And what we're gonna do is this. Make sure you melt your candy melts that we had earlier. We're gonna melt them again for 1 to 2 minutes. And while that's in the microwave, you're gonna add your sticks, if you do have them, and stick them through the cake pops. If you don't, that's okay. And what we're gonna do right here is we're gonna get our little cake pops and put them in the icing and just kind of cover it in just like that. Then, if you want, you can add sprinkles to them. After that's done, guys, you're now gonna let it cool down, and from there, your cake pops are done. All right, Coyote, so that's all I have for you today. And remember, guys, that sharing is caring. So please share them with your friends and family for this Valentine's Day. I'm Rihanna Flores, and happy Valentine's Day, Coyotes.